Give me some commentary on what you're doing there.
Well, let's see. Checking the wind. All right, we gotta give a full 10-second countdown.
Okay.
Ready?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition!
Whoa! Dude.
Yes!
Please, parachute, come on! You did it!
Yes!
Oh, dude, you better get running. That thing's gonna be going ways.
That was great.
Crack it.
Oh, look at him running. He's going to get it. It's going to come right down in the field.
This is perfect positioning, yeah. That was a successful flight.
Give me some juice.
I feel pretty good about that.
Yes.